Okay, in this room, the gymnast jumps up on the rings and has a pretty big arm bend there. So I'm going to start off with 2 off. Then goes in locate, back up, rise, hand. They then bail into a back uprise straddle L. Gymnast then goes into a pretty unsteady plunge, going back and forth between the positions there quite a bit with bent arms. Then falls back down into an L hold. Then does a B press hand. Arms looked, decent there. Then does a bail in the other direction. You can count that as another skill into a giant, kind of falling all over the place there. Then does another bail into a dislocate and a double back. Okay, so looking through this routine, so we have an inlocate for an A. Remember, we can't repeat parts, so that's a nothing. The back uprise hand is a B. A bail in either direction is an A. A back uprise straddle L is a B. A plunge is a B. L is an A. I gave that one a B press on first glance. That's a B. We then bail in the other direction. We can also count that. We do a giant in the other direction, which is a B. Another bail in that direction. A dislocate, which is an A. And then a double back, which is a B. So does the gymnast have 6 skills? Looks like it there. So we got 6-0. Too many again. Now for element groups. Do we have a swinging skill? Trying to count the highest one first. These giants are both swinging skills. So that's 0.5. Do we have a swing to strength? Back uprise straddle L is not a swing to strength. So it looks like we're missing that swing to strength element group. Do we have a strength move? The plunge and L are both strength moves, group 3. And then we have a B dismount. So this gymnast is going to earn 1.5 in the element groups. Okay, now for difficulty. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bs for 0.3 each. We have 2 A's we can count. And this gymnast is going to get there anyways, but I want to mention, you can swing the hand once for bonus. So that back uprise hand is going to be +1. That'd be a bonus 10th. We can press to hand. The press would also be a +0.1. We can press to hand once for a bonus on rings. We don't have any group C or higher strength moves, so that's not going to earn any bonus. And then we have a flipping dismount, so that's also 0.3. So the gymnast would also get 3/10 in bonus there. So no, we're going to end up with 2.0 in difficulty when you do 6 times 0.3, 2 times 0.1, and 0.3. Remember, you can't get higher than a 2.0 in difficulty. So add this together, and this gymnast is starting at a 9.5. Pretty good start value there. Now, right off the bat, we have to make sure that the gymnast did a swing to handstand, or we're going to take a 2/10 deduction off this. So the gymnast did have a swing to hand, so we're not going to take that off. Now counting the tenths off here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 off. So we end up with this good-looking ring routine, getting a 6.9. Just a lot of, I would say, unsteadiness. And I think that last giant he didn't hold for 2 full seconds also. So just lots of unsteadiness leading to this kind of low score.